So, hello everyone. This is Navneet Misra from Navinomics, and today we have Palak. So, welcome Palak, and she will be just giving a brief introduction about her. Currently, she is pursuing her masters from Gokhale. So, it's up to you, Palak.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to everyone and sir. So I am Palak Jain. I'm from Assam, currently pursuing masters in economics, and my specialization is international business and economics and finance.
Oh, IVEF.
So, yeah, IBA. So any specific questions that sir want to ask, I'm really grateful to
Yeah.
answer.
So, you have done your graduation.
I've done my graduation from Ferguson College,
Okay.
Pune.
Oh, okay. So, it seems like you are now local. Graduation भी आपका वहीं से था. ओके दैट्स ग्रेट सो ये
Yes.
बताइए यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस पीपल गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड क्योंकि गोखले में आई थिंक 7-8 कोर्सेज आ गए हैं एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द चूजिंग द सब्जेक्ट्स फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस डिसाइड करना काफ़ी ज़्यादा वो लोगों में एक डिफिकल्टी आ जाता है कि फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस किसको रखे सो कमिंग टू योर एक्सपीरियंसेस नो इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट वन सेमेस्टर यू आर देयर तो फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस यूजुअली किसको रखना चाहिए एट गोखले
So again, it depends from student to student and interest, I know. But I'll suggest he go to the website and check each and every subject. Think about it.
हम्म
And think, to your seniors through LinkedIn,
हम्म
and then come to the conclusion. But if I talk about the demand or
हम्म
the hierarchy, there is no as a official hierarchy in any of the streams.
हम्म
But still, there are a few companies who prefers MSc FE and IBF
हम्म
little more. Apart from that, if you're getting agri, population, public policy, geopol, there's no issue. But I will suggest according to your goal, according to your preferences, choose it accordingly. In my case, what happened? I was very much attracted to the international trading, business, or international related courses. So it was the best course for me, and I am enjoying my course. But it might be not be the same with some my other fellow mates. So I think there should be awareness about your particular stream demand, and then accordingly come to the conclusion. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे दोस्त को बोल रहे हैं कि ये कोर्स अच्छा नहीं है, I
यस
will
यस
not. And even in placements, they don't even ask you about your subject and courses.
ओके ओके
They will first see your skills, how smart you are. If you clear the apti test, first of all, then only like you are asked to come to HR round.
ओके विल गो
So
टू दैट प्लेसमेंट्स थिंग्स सो बेसिकली यूजुअली क्या रहता है लोगों का दो प्रेफरेंस है दैट इज एफई फाइनेंशियल इकोनॉमिक्स एंड आईबीईएफ राइट एंड इट इज़ ए जनरल जनरल पर्सपेक्टिव कि बच्चे अगर गोखले जाते हैं बिकॉज आई थिंक लॉट्स ऑफ मनी दे पुट देयर सो डेफिनेटली एक प्लेसमेंट उनका प्रायोरिटी रहता है आई कंसीडर कि 80% बच्चे जरूर प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए वहाँ पे सीट करते होंगे बिकॉज आगे उनको पीएचडी करना है एकेडमिक्स में रहना है सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर so two more things regarding subjects and all. I think public policy or geopolitics I think newly introduced course और IBEF भी I think 16-17 के आसपास आई है. Now it's 8-9 years so it's little older now. When it comes to the fee structure, so just throw a light on these things because फी जो है एमए इकोनॉमिक्स का थोड़ा कम है और फाइनेंशियल्स का थोड़ा ज़्यादा है तो 2 years का फी स्ट्रक्चर क्या है पलक
actually, see, 2 years ka it is 5 lakhs for FE
ओके
and IBF students. FE is financial economics and IB is international business and economics and finance. तो ये दोनों का सबसे highest है. Like per year you have to pay 2.5 lakh, like
अच्छा
say one at a time. I know it's not so like average fee for some students, and also to who are like pursuing in government college, pursuing their bachelor's or master's in government colleges.
particularly in central
I would
universities
say
yeah
it's worth it.
Mhm,
Totally worth it. Faculties are good.
mhm,
Placements are better here.
mhm.
So I think if you will see once you will get placed, it doesn't matter, right? After that,
Exactly,
and
exactly.
even yeah. So according to the placement, also I don't think so. It should be a big matter of concern. If you can go for loans, I would like would like to suggest that अगर नहीं हो पाता है, then you can switch to other courses.
Exactly,
No,
exactly.
no harm.
Mhm,
Other courses का जो fee structure is little like lesser.
mhm.
okay, comparatively. So, uh, if you are not, like from a very middle class family, you can go with MA Economics,
Mm-hmm.
but try ki, you you are in MSc
Got
Economics
it. Got
because
it.
comparatively placements are more. If I see the data,
Data. Yes.
also you can check in the official website
Yeah.
also. It is higher. So from your career point of view, it is good, better.
या तो जब आप प्लेसमेंट्स की बात छेड़ ही दिए तो लेट्स कम टू द डायरेक्ट पॉइंट। प्लेसमेंट्स का क्या सिनेरियो है? आई थिंक 24 या 25 का भी प्लेसमेंट चल रहा होगा। 24 तो डन हो गया। सो अब तक आपके पास क्या अपडेट मिला है? कौन कौन सी कंपनियां हैं? कितना अमाउंट लगभग है? ये सब थोड़ा बताएं।
So I can talk about my seniors and my super seniors.
या
So coming to my seniors, तो इस year थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो गई थी, स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा लगा था हमें, but successfully it is going well as of now. So the lowest package of this year is around 7 to 8 lakhs.
लोएस्ट?
And highest is 18 lakhs. Yeah.
दैट्स ग्रेट।
JPX.
जेपी मॉर्गन
Samruddhi
कम्स।
Jain. She's my senior. She got into it. So yeah. And from last to last year का scene ऐसा हुआ था. The lowest was at the end company used to offer lowest packages because students are not getting placed, so eventually low packages भी आ जाते. But the average salary is still 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. Okay, and from last year the highest package was 24 lakh per annum.
ओह क्रेजी।
So that is yeah.
तो आई थिंक कमिंग टू द स्टैटिस्टिक्स इट्स क्वाइट वर्थ इट, क्योंकि अगर आप 5 लाख रुपए लगा रहे हो तो एंड यू टोल्ड कि कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है। या नाउ कमिंग टू द लाइक कोर्सेज में क्या आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा वो बताते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कोर थिंग्स लाइक मैक्रो गेम थियरीज एंड financial statements? Apart from all these, there are certain like tools you need to be there to be competitive in the market, right? तो क्या क्या एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स हैं what is required specifically for the placements or they teach there?
See, for every IB students, IBF students, mostly almost the subjects are almost similar, except 3-4 subjects.
अच्छा
For FE, there are more financial subjects like portfolio management, security management, and that sort of finance. Their accountancy is little different than us, more towards the finance thing. So yeah, the subjects are accordingly divided in a very beautiful and structured manner. In IBF, we have international marketing, business analytics. It is common for all. For even MSc students are allowed to opt for it.
अच्छा अच्छा।
So financial derivatives, it is a very, I mean, it is the most important subject. If I talk about if I talk for IBS students and FE students as well, and from the placement point of view as well, because placements mostly uh, like the job profiles they offer are uh, related to finance, consultancies, data analyst, research analyst. So from that point of view also, I have heard from seniors that they used to ask on this particular subject. We also have corporate finance and capital budgeting. But basically in first semester, we have the basic core subjects, macro, micro, statistics, and all the 5 core subjects, mathematics and trade theory. Or for finance students, there is some other elective subject. So like that, the subject is divided. For agri students, there are some agri related subjects apart from the basic.
But placement
first
opportunity,
semester, more or less
yeah,
for
yeah,
every-
yeah. Placement opportunity would be similar for like all the subjects. Doesn't matter whether you are from MA Economics or Agri. और इज इट सो कि कुछ कंपनियां ऐसे आती है कि वो सिर्फ IBEF या फाइनेंशियल वाले को ही लेती है? इज इट लाइक दैट?
There are only few companies, like 3 to 4 companies who usually prefer IBF or FE students. But apart from that, it is nothing like that hierarchy. They always treat all the streams equally. There's no kind of hierarchy, but there is hierarchy unofficially in our college because the subject is comparatively it is said that IBS students and FE students has to work harder. So and but from placement point of view also, they they have the advantage because they already have that subject and they have to study it externally.
अच्छा
So
अच्छा.
that is the only difference. Okay.
So now let us come to the little like hostel life and all, because many people come from Delhi, UP, Bihar, so that is little far from the Pune. So कैसा है पुणे में life, especially for the people who are new to there?
See, life is amazing if you have good friends. Okay. And weather is very like fine.
हाँ हाँ.
I am here since 3 to 4 years now. I am not experiencing any bad stuff
Okay,
around
okay.
me.
So it's quite
I
safe
just hope
also,
that
because when it comes to the
yeah,
female safety and
safe.
all. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. If I talk about the hostel life, it is amazing. They celebrate each and every festival very
Yeah,
beautifully.
hostel I would
They
be.
come together, celebrate.
हम्म.
Everything is like
अच्छा, ये
amazing.
हॉस्टल्स का क्या फैसिलिटीज हैं? आई डोंट थिंक कि नियरली लाइक 400-500 स्टूडेंट्स वुड बी देयर, कंसिडरिंग कि 8 सब्जेक्ट्स अगर पूरा फिल होते हैं, आई थिंक 500 सीट्स हैं. कितने हैं टोटल सीट्स?
बिल्कुल नहीं हम टोटल सीट्स तो इट वाज सेड कि 60 सीट्स पर स्ट्रीम है.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली.
But what happened initially, there were 40 students in our
ओके
batch, okay,
ओके
from
ओके.
our special in our stream program, sorry.
हम्म.
But what happened, ki, since the cutoffs were high this year, they went out, like they got in some other better colleges and they dropped out. So like अभी बहुत हमारे बैच में we got the advantage. Fortunately, there are very few students in every stream.
अच्छा अच्छा.
In our IBS students, there are only 32. For in MSc Eco, there are around 20. I mean, the average is 30 only. Maximum, like if I talk about the average students, there's 30, maximum 40. Not, no more beyond,
Okay,
beyond
so
this
I think
number particular. I
nearly
don't know
300
why.
students would be there. I think 250 to 300. So don't you think कि because of fee it can be there?
Maybe the reason also there might be some other reasons
Yeah,
that
yeah,
they wanted to increase the placement opportunities
exactly,
for
exactly.
students, or maybe because our seniors, there are around 60 IBS students in our
Mm-hmm.
senior batch. I have heard that at that time the fee was little lesser, like
Okay.
50,000 less,
Mm-hmm.
comparing to our batch. So maybe the fees is the reason,
Mm-hmm.
but I think it's worth it if once you get placed.
अच्छा, अभी आपने कट ऑफ की
Then
बात
it
करी.
depends on the luck.
ओके ओके. सो डू यू रिमेम्बर अप्रॉक्स? आई नो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड कट ऑफ एवरी स्ट्रीम का, बट एक रफ एस्टिमेट है आपको क्या कट ऑफ रही होंगी जनरल, ओबीसी वगैरह के?
जनरल सी जनरल का भी मैं एफई के सबसे हाईएस्ट कट ऑफ गए थे.
यस यस.
एमएससी इको एंड एफई स्टूडेंट्स के सबसे हाईएस्ट. फिर उसके बाद आईबीएस स्टूडेंट्स के भी गए एंड ऐसे अकॉर्डिंगली थोड़ा कम होते गए बिकॉज जनरली we are not so aware about agri economics,
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली.
public policy, so we
एग्जैक्टली
don't opt for it.
एग्जैक्टली.
Even
लो जाते.
मतलब जाना ही है नीचे. It is not like that subject is not cool. So एमएससी इको वाले के तो जस्ट लाइक जो जिनका डीयू में नहीं हो पाया, मैंने तो ऐसे ही सुना था कि वो यहाँ आ गए.
अच्छा.
तो आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो, अगर डीयू के 230 कट ऑफ गए थे ना, राइट, तो उसके कम ही गए होंगे. लेकिन आईबीएफ के भी आई हर्ड दैट थर्ड लिस्ट में भी 191 आए, वो बच्चे आए हैं. यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन द डिफरेंस. ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, जस्ट मैटर ऑफ लाइक 50 मार्क्स में यू आर like comparing all the
Got it,
stream
got it.
का मैं एमएससी को एफई और आईबीएफ को बोल रही हूँ. थर्ड लिस्ट तक का आईबीएफ के स्टूडेंट्स 191 या अराउंड 180 अप्रॉक्स गए
180
होंगे.
approx.
देन एससी ओबीसी एंड ईडब्ल्यूएस वाले के थोड़े
थोड़े
बहुत
कम
कम
है. Yeah, yeah.
रहेंगे. They don't disclose the and cannot directly
Yeah, yeah, that I understand.
बट उनके लिए रिजर्वेशन थोड़ी बहुत रहती है, 1 or 2 सीट्स. एंड इसके बाद एम इकोनॉमिक्स के और कम होते हैं,
Exactly.
पॉपुलेशन स्टडीज स्पेशलाइजेशन के कम होते हैं. फिर आई हर्ड आफ्टर आईबीएफ एग्री के भी कम. उसके बाद एग्री आता है, फिर उसके कम वैसे.
फिर हेल्थ
फिर
पॉपुलेशन है.
मार्क्स ऑल्सो कि आपको कौन सी स्पेशलाइजेशन.
गॉट इट, गॉट इट. अच्छा, आई वाज लिटिल क्यूरियस टू नो अबाउट दिस जियोपॉलिटिक्स का एक कोर्स अब आया है अभी, आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर है. एंड हाउ इज इट? आई मीन पीपल आर देयर और नॉट?
There are around 25 people in
Oh,
that
well,
batch.
good.
I have like encountered some of my friends. I have heard it is more into how politics and economics are related. They used to study the like international markets as well and how the relations are. That is very very important in today's world. I think so, according to my perspective, and they are also taught in that perspective only. So yeah, that is also a, like for this, you know, every subject, because I have never encountered a student discussing anything about that particular subject. But you can always go to the website and check it out. If you are interested, you can always ping me up. Okay. So
Okay,
I
Palak.
will share all the
Yes,
yes,
sure. We'll share your email ID as well in the description so that people can reach out. And hopefully, if I visit there, because one of my friend is teaching there as an assistant professor. I think he must be teaching. I think public finance. Which courses you are offered this semester in second
this
semester?
semester we have business analytics,
Okay.
corporate finance, and corporate budgeting. International relations, international marketing, game theory, and social exclusion are our electives. We can choose any one out of these. But the core subjects are financial derivatives, business analytics, corporate finance, and capital budgeting, and basic econometrics.
ओके ओके चलिए दो चीज़ें जो कि नॉर्मली कहीं भी दूर अगर आप हैं थैंकफुली कि आप चलो 3 साल ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएशन वहीं से किए तो इट सीम्स मोर होमली फॉर यू एज कम्पेयर टू द पीपल हु विल बी फर्स्ट टाइम कमिंग देयर ये बताइए थोड़ा सा कि हॉस्टल्स मीन्स क्या वहाँ पे कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं आई गॉट टू नो कि आई थिंक आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट जैसा कि जेएनयू एचयू में है 24/7 इट्स फ्री फॉर ऑल बी इट मेल फीमेल और एनी जेंडर सो क्या है वहाँ का हॉस्टल्स के कुछ रूल्स
So as a rule, so apart from let's see, 11 is the maximum
ओके
time
दैट्स फाइन
you can be out. उसके बाद I have heard कि उसके बाद like सबके लिए common rule है. Okay. Uh, उसके बाद you are not allowed to move out. Um, और ऐसे बाकी बहुत chill माहौल है. ऐसा नहीं है कि you are
yeah
this
yeah got it
some
yes
place
yes
you are not allowed to ऐसे specifically और बाकी तो common rules होते हैं पर mostly every PG and over here in Pune, if you are until unless you are not in a flat, you are not allowed to move out of 10 or
okay
11.
okay
Almost in almost every hostel over here.
okay no I was talking about the like Gokhale hostel there is a hostel also like associated with the Gokhale right
Yes, yes.
तो उनमें सारे बच्चे को
There
हॉस्टल
is more students.
हाँ हाँ श्योर उनमें सारे स्टूडेंट्स को हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज मिल जाती है
मोस्टली तो जो इस बार हमारा बैच काफी छोटा सा था तो
अच्छा
मोस्टली
मिल
जो
सो
मोस्टली मिल जाते
इज
हैं.
इट बिट एक्सपेंसिव एज कम्पेयर टू पीजी
कंफर्टेबल है डिपेंड्स ऑन द रूममेट्स आल्सो क्योंकि कोई स्टूडेंट्स some are not comfortable with three
करेक्ट
roommates.
करेक्ट गॉट इट गॉट
It's difficult for them to adjust.
इट गॉट इट गॉट इट
On the other hand, guys, I guess two or three students are there in one
ओके
room,
ओके
so it is more easier to for them to accommodate.
हम्म सो हॉस्टल फी जो है गो या हॉस्टल फी जो है गोखले के दैट इज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट 5 lakh rupees राइट
Yes.
okay that makes bit expensive that's why many people switch to the pg and like flats
But it is, if even if you are staying in PG, it is also comfortable. You can find many PGs in accommodations near Gokhale
Gokhale
Institute because there are many colleges apart from Gokhale Institute in this area, so you can always look into it. Because again, hostel is fun. It is also distracting
got
for
it
some students
got it
because every time you cannot go out and have fun. So yeah.
सो गोखले का एक नॉर्मल डे रूटीन क्या रहता है वहाँ के मास्टर्स के बच्चों का यूजुअली कितने क्लासेस होते हैं एक जो नॉर्मल रहता है क्योंकि व्हेन इट कम्स टू द जेएनयू दे हैव होल डे फन देयर इज नो लाइक अटेंडेंस एंड कंपलसरी तो वो लोग अपना पढ़ाई करो घूमो कुछ भी करो तो सिमिलरली अभी गोखले का क्या सीन चलता है नॉर्मल रूटीन आप लोगों का क्या रहता है
Mostly three maximum lecture होते हैं, three. Okay, per lecture 2 hours का होता है. It starts from morning 9 a.m. 6 तक कभी भी हो सकता है.
अच्छा
6 like 9 to 11, 11 to 1, फिर 1 to 2 break होता है, and then from 2 to 4, 4 to 6.
अच्छा
So it depends on the day, and also you're not allowed any break, ऐसे 30 minutes का break हो गया, 2 hours you have to sit
Sit.
and listen to that professor. But again, some professors give at least
Yeah, they leave
break
before, I think.
more than that.
Mhm.
स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होती है बट इवेंचुअली इट बिकम्स योर हैबिट एंड यू एंजॉय इट बिकॉज इट ऑल्सो सेव्स योर टाइम आल्सो ना आने जाने का टाइम बच जाता है अगर एक ही बार में इतना एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन होगा
Mhm.
सो हाँ like 4 to 6 hours is the average time we devote in the lectures itself.
Mhm. And rest of the time, like if there is a, you can have a library and other newspaper access there.
Yeah. Yeah, this time we got lucky and there's one new reading hall.
Okay.
It is open till 8 p.m. You can sit.
Mhm.
Everything is there. Like plug points, AC, comfortable chairs. You can sit and study till 8 p.m. and then you can go to your own places.
So anything else you wanted to add on, like we didn't talk?
Huh.
Please.
One thing I would like to suggest to all my juniors who is preparing.
Okay. Yeah.
Um, like I am also not so old. I'm just in second semester. So I can relate to it. It is a like very hectic schedule, and the only difficulty I faced, the major difficulty I mean, is mathematics.
Okay.
And arts background. If I can do it, you can also do it.
Oh, that's really inspiring.
I'm
So you coming from the arts background, you have chosen IBEF, which is full of quant, right? So उनका restrictions है क्या कुछ? Like you must had maths before. I think in 12 they must have maths, right?
नहीं कोकले में ऐसा कोई
Oh,
restriction नहीं
okay,
है.
thank you.
Luckily,
Hmm.
fortunately, and again, अगर आप MSc को लेते हो
हाँ.
तो आपको maths is mandatory for there.
Okay.
Economics and MSc Economics.
अच्छा.
IBA students and FE students को first year elective maths often होता है.
Okay, okay.
But it is not mandatory for them to opt it.
Okay.
If you are not comfortable with maths, you can still
Can.
drop it out. But again, the paper is doable.
Hmm.
As we बोलते हैं मेरे friends की it's like more or less 11-12 की maths है. But
Mhm.
it is again, you also have the pressure to balance your CGPA
Hmm.
first and second semester, especially from placement point of view. So, what I personally did was I dropped it, and if you want to like actually interested to brush up your basics, you can always go for it after first or second sem. And cannot get rid of mathematics. To be
Okay,
honest,
so one
it
thing
is
just
not
you
possible.
mentioned, तो क्या CGPA एक there is a need of like certain points or CGPA to sit in the placements?
Uh, there are some companies who
Okay.
like demands कि आपकी CGPA at least 8 होने चाहिए, 7.5 होने चाहिए, 7 होने चाहिए.
Okay, okay.
But if you are scoring 7.5 CGPA, you're safe. 8, very good.
Hmm.
7, still safe. But if you are going below 7, that is trouble for you.
Recently I found, I think 1 or 2 months back, you guys had convocation. तो जैसा कि देखा गया JNU एंड DSC ये काफ़ी लो स्कोरिंग है, आई थिंक 7-8 CGPA गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट वहाँ हो जाते हैं. क्या रहा है वहाँ का पैटर्न ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम इन गोखले? आर देयर 9 pointers or stuck between 7-8?
I mean, it depends on the student's background also.
Okay.
They have already done those particular subjects in detail. Like in our batch, mostly students are from DU.
Okay, okay, yeah.
University.
Hmm.
So they have done it. So
Hmm.
they know all the topics. So it is easier for them to score.
Hmm.
Some students on the other end, it is not that easy to score. But again, if you will work hard,
Hmm.
you can score a decent CGPA. Okay, in first semester.
Hmm.
Second semester, most of the subjects are new for most of the students. So it is again a challenge for most of us. But again, if our seniors suggest that if you study, you can get like maximum 8.8.5 CGPAs. Also, some students, score more than 8.5 as well.
Hmm.
Very few students, but it is possible. Okay, it is not like it's
No, why you pointed out, because once you are the like part of academic, suppose that somebody is not interested in placement and all, so somebody wants to do PhD and later on their API will be calculated, academic performance index. So in masters, if you have distinctions like above 75 percentage, so it is well and good. You will be getting, I think, 23 marks they are allocating for the masters. So if CGPA is low, especially in like DSE and JNU, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपका API affect होता है, and in academics it matters a lot. And they don't ask you कि आप DSE से हो या फिर गोखले से हो, so that's the reason. अच्छा, वहाँ PhD के भी कुछ opportunities होंगे, like going to the foreign and all after the masters.
हाँ, पीएचडी के भी बहुत अच्छे मैंने सुना है कि ये रिवॉर्ड उनका है। बहुत सारे हमारे टीचर्स भी इनफैक्ट फैकल्टीज़ भी बहुत सारे फैकल्टीज़ है जो पीएचडी कर रहे हैं, केस है जो पीएचडी परस्यू कर रहे हैं। सो आई इवन पर्सनली वेंट टू वन ऑफ माय टीए and ask about the PhD thing. Should I pursue it or not? Or shall I go for placements only? For suggestions. So, or I got to know is that if you are into research, then go for it. Otherwise, you're good to go after masters for placements. So it depends again on you if you want that doctor degree or you have to study more about this particular subject very much interested, you can still go again. But yeah, it is very difficult to get in a PhD, okay? Not that easy.
Apart from that, you are also like devoted for that next 5 to 6 years. Yeah. So, Palak, last thing I would be just asking you. You came from like 20 CUT 2024, right? And you know that limited time is left here. So, what would be your advice? You are in the like one of the top institutes after DSE, JNU, and IGDR. I consider even Gokhale is one of the best. So, what will be your, I mean, suggestions for the upcomers?
Say, I will thank sir for always motivating me. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to us sir anytime you want. Okay, I did the same. I used to watch 3 4 lectures a day. I also started my preparation from December month.
अच्छा अच्छा, आप fourth batch में थे या class 4 में थे?
Even if you get self doubts or you're not being able to brush up this particular topic, getting it difficult, I will always suggest you to discuss it with your friend.
Yes.
It's like preparing for the same thing. I did the same. I used to, when we don't, usually we are not understanding any topic, go to Sir because Sir is also handling so many students, not possible for him to.
In your batch, we had more than 500 students.
Yes. So it is also difficult for him to handle. You can always come to me if you have any specific doubts regarding anything. If I can help you out, I will definitely email. Sir will.
Yeah, sure. So I am making you the ambassador of GoPlay from my side. So all the Navinom students will reach out to you. Okay, and regarding anything about GoPlay, hope they will get help from your side.
Okay, sir, definitely. I'll try my best. Fortunately, it was my first preference. Actually, in JNU also you have some international economics related courses, but the criteria was that
Maths.
you must have maths
Maths.
till
No,
12th.
what
So
I
I
mean कि आपने ग्रेजुएशन आपने वहां से किया, या आपने ग्रेजुएशन भी वहां से किया, तो इट बिकम्स लिटिल हैंडी कि चलो मास्टर्स हमें गोखले में मिल जाए. अच्छा, देयर आर, हाँ. हम्म.
CUT के ऊपर depend है. It was
Yes,
also
yes.
handy also. It was also a new environment, new institute. Everything was also new. When once you get into another institute, but the area was familiar to me. So I was not having any issue after it. It's just area wise, accommodation wise. Yeah, by that time I knew ki this is the place I have to live in. This is the mess, and this is the place I have to go. So that is the only thing I was benefiting. But apart from that, I was also equally worried for it. you know.
You had any of your friends who been to HCU, because sometimes what I found कि HCU और गोखले में बहुत से बच्चे स्वैप करते हैं. I have made some of here like your batchmates only. You may not be knowing. Navinomics batchmate. They got Gokhale, but they chose I think HCU. So you know any of your friends?
I personally don't know any of my friend, but also I say it depends on the specialization also.
Correct, correct.
नहीं आ रहा है. अगर उनको फाइनेंशियल इकोनॉमिक्स चाहिए तो उनका कट ऑफ काफी हाई है,
एग्जैक्टली।
थोड़े से कम कट ऑफ में अगर एचसीओ मिल रहा है एंड दे आर श्योर अबाउट
यस
फाइनेंशियल
यस
इकोनॉमिक्स, then they can go for it.
यस यस
I mean, if you think you're not liking your specialization itself, how will you justify to HR?
एग्जैक्टली ओके
Sure.
यस यस
So if you don't know about your subject also, if you're not liking your particular stream, so how can you convince others that it is a good stream,
एग्जैक्टली
right?
एग्जैक्टली
So yeah, this is the thing. Apart from MSc को फाइनेंशियल इकोनॉमिक्स एंड आईबीए स्टूडेंट्स के तो मुझे नहीं लगता कोई गए होंगे, जाने से दूसरी स्ट्रीम्स के जा सकते कि हाँ ऐसा हो सकता
या
है
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली
स्विच कर दिया।
या इधर एग्रीकल्चर होंगे या फिर एमए इकोनॉमिक्स होंगे। बिकॉज व्हाट वी थिंक कि एग्रीकल्चर पढ़ के और हेल्थ पढ़ के प्लेसमेंट नहीं होगी, बट इन गोखले इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट गाइस। सो एज पलक टोल्ड कि यू विल बी गिवन इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी while sitting for the placements, right? कुछ 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 कंपनियां हैं जो कि प्रीफर करती है, दे हैव लाइक प्रीफरिंग सिंस लॉन्ग की आईबीएफ और मास्टर्स।
Three companies.
टू और थ्री कंपनीज, अदर्स आर इक्वल।
I would like to add that placement के numbers are ahead है बताना।
हाँ हाँ श्योर।
So last year, like last 2-3 years के according के मैं बता रही हूँ तो 40 to 45 students are placed. Okay, permanently. And again, I repeat, the highest salary is 18 lakh per annum this year. Last year was 24 lakh per annum. Even if you don't get the highest salary, it doesn't mean that you're like it's your bad luck or something. You can always try for other companies off campus.
ऑफ कैंपस
Average salaries are 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. Okay, and lowest this year was
8 लाख। सो आप इस बार कट ऑफ 25 में पक्का बढ़ाने वाले हैं गोखले के, बिकॉज दिस मच क्लैरिटी नोबडी हैड।
It's not like that, sir. It all depends.
तो इट वाज वेरी नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू पलक। आई डोंट थिंक कि वी हैव मिस्ड आउट एनीथिंग। और जब अब ऑप्शंस आएंगे सेलेक्ट करने के, आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग जुलाई अगस्त देयर इज एडमिशन, तो पीपल विल स्टार्ट टेक्स्टिंग यू एंड मेलिंग यू। सो डू हेल्प
No
देम।
worries, sir.
एंड एंड आई ऑल्सो विश कि इस बैच में जो जब आप पास करोगे 26 में आपका सबसे मैक्सिमम पैकेज हो, क्योंकि आपने हमेशा मैक्सिमम को देखा है 18 लाख 24 लाख। तो इन बिटवीन
Yeah, if you go for maximum, then at least you get the average salary.
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली वी शुड ऑल डेफिनेटली बिग ड्रीम डेफिनेटली। तो होप टू मीट यू someday if I visit Gokhale, as I told ki some of my friends are teaching there, so hopefully we'll stay connected. Okay, thank you so much Palak.
It was nice. Thank you so
Thank you
much
for
for
your
that
time.
as well. It was nice talking to you. I think this is the first time we are face to face
Yes.
conversation. This is our first face
Yes, before
conversation.
before I used to just speak in the class.
Text me.
Okay, chal,
Yeah.
best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.